Starting with the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to today. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. By the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we have covered 19 chapters. After the completion of 19 chapters, I have decided to start the new chapter, and it is about research. My students, they were requesting me again and again to start a research chapter. However, I promise that inshallah one day I will start. So in this regard, today is the opening of the chapter and I'm going to introduce research. That what is research? What are the characteristics of research? Why we conduct a research? All these will be discussed in today's topic. Those who are my listeners and audience and yet they have not subscribed my channel, they are requested to like and subscribe my channel. Listeners and audience, let's start from the introduction. What is research? Remember, the word research comes from two parts, from two terms, from two words. The first one is re and the second one is search. Re mean again and search mean to look for. Now, the literal meaning of research is to search again. It means to search something or to look at into something deeply to find new knowledge and understanding. This is the literal meaning of research. On the other hand, when we're talking about the definition, what is the definition of research? Research is a systematic and careful study. Research is a systematic and careful study to find facts, new facts, ideas, and solutions to the problems. Research is the process of asking questions and finding logical, valid, and solid answers to the asked questions. For example, if a student he wants to know that why some students they learn English fast. Why they learn English faster? He wants to conduct research on this topic. Definitely, what he will do first of all, for example, he will collect data through observation, through investigations, through interview. So all these processes he is undergone. Overall, this is called research. Now the question is, research is not only about science. This is very, very important point. Research is not only about science or technology, it exists in everything. Like it exists in education, medicine, social sciences, and business. For example, if you're talking about research and education, teachers they do research regarding various methods of teaching, like deductive method, inductive method, communicative method, translation method, various methods that which is the most valid, for example, that help the students for the better pronunciation, speaking, listening, writing, etc. So when the teachers, they are doing research on that, that is related to education. Similarly, medicine. In this field, for example, the doctors, they do various research to find cures, treatment for various diseases, incurable diseases, like, for example, sugar, diabetes, cancers, and so many others. Connected to this, the scientists, or you see other students, for example, in social sciences, they do various research, conduct various research regarding social sciences. For example, problems related to society, human behaviors, human attitudes. Connected to this, like for example, about language, pronunciation, accent, dialect, and many others. In business, in business, here are also various types of research that are conducted and carried out. Like for example, a company master employer, he can also carry the research about his workers, employees, how their condition become better, and various aspects of that. These are just examples for understanding. Now, what are the characteristics of research? As I told you in the definition, that research is a systematic process. It is a systematic study. Systematic means in research, each and everything happens, takes place chronologically, sequence-wise, order by order. Like for example, first of all, a research, he find out the problems. He identifies the problem first of all. Then he collects the data. After the collection of the data, he analyzes it and then reaches to the conclusion. After that, the second characteristic is objective and logical. Research is objective and logical means that here a research does not share his opinion, his ideas, his point of view. The focus is on something that are solid. Research is based on logic, evidence, reasoning, facts, truth and reality, and authenticity. Empirical. Research is empirical. Empirical means it is not just theory, but it is based on observation as well. It is based on investigation. It is based on interview. And the last one is innovative. Research is innovative. Innovative means research discovers something new. Like there is a problem. One solution is already there for the problem, but a researcher tries to find out best solution for that problem to solve it. What we will do next will be discussed in the upcoming lectures. Hope that this topic is clear to you. Thank you.